Okay, what I've got going on here is these came from a Roman candle called Shark Tooth or Shark's Tooth or Shark Teeth or something, and they're known to have them blow up on the ground, and I'm seeing right here this could be why. You got one that's high quality. It's a high quality paste job here. Although it's not perfect, it could be thicker. But nah, it looks okay. Looks really nice, but this one, it was sloppily done. You can see the clay. When the lift charge hits that, it probably blasts right through that probably thin layer of clay, and not it just blasts right past it. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this. It's just a fuse from an old shell from back in the day. We used to cut those off when we were doing hand lighting, because viscos take a long time to burn. But anyway, these things are the same thing. It's in basically pretty much the same thing that's in any of these single shots. Whether it's bling bling or barber pole, what have you, they're pretty much the same. But I'm going to get a fresh battery here. Alright, here we go. Hell yeah. Let's put an aerial up. It echoes better when it's up in the air, huh? Nice. Okay, gonna do a demo. Gonna play with some of these Texas Pop Rockets, my favorite Texas Pop Rockets by Windmill, and shoot off some of this half gross of my favorite bottle rocket. These are now my favorite bottle rockets, because I can't get a hold of any other kind like this. There are other types like this. I can't remember the names of them, but Pyro 319, they did a demo on some, and several different Thunder something, some Thunderclap, Thunder Mountain. I don't know what they different names for them, and there's some of them are colored different, but do different effects. These are all one effect, and they're still pretty damn cool. Oh yeah. Nice little pop. For a Texas Pop Rocket. Oh yeah. Those are nicer. But man, those bottle rockets, for a bottle rocket, these are twice the thing though. Last one. TPR. Go. Okay. There's not very many leaves on the trees here. When there is, it obstructs the sound. In the fall, it's a really nice time to be doing this. More easier to hear the echo happen. For this, that one did not go very high. Let's try another. That did go higher. And it was echoier. Yeah. Altitude helps. Just because it's so calm. Yeah, boy. Nice pop. That echo. That smell. Yeah, let's check out some of these wise guy shooters. Yeah, firecrackers. They're okay.